Okay, about question 4 on Connect, on which of the following reactions will occur. Okay, that question is a question about your activity series. So this is your activity series from page 149 of your book. And it's based on the redox concept. Redox, of course, is a combination of reduction oxidation. And so if you look on the left side of this activity series, the arrow pointing up says that these elements on the activity series are ranked in order of increasing ease of oxidation. So that means that lithium is the easiest element to oxidize. And then as you move down the table, it gets harder and harder to oxidize the element. Now look, these reactions are showing what oxidation is. So we're talking about taking lithium metal, stripping an electron away from it, and it becoming the lithium ion. Okay, so you would have literally a piece of metal, and if you oxidized it to its ion form, that ion's gonna dissolve in water. So, like in layman's terms, it would be almost like the metal's disappearing. Oxidation's what happens with iron when it rusts. Right? Oxidation of iron is shown right there. Now, look at the elements at the bottom of the table. Well, even here. Okay, gold. Gold doesn't oxidize really easily, right? It stays in its metallic form. We make jewelry out of gold. Platinum. Platinum's expensive. Copper, silver, even mercury, yeah, but those do not easily oxidize. And so, using this activity series and applying it to question 4 from Connect, it's based on single replacement or single displacement reactions. And so I'm going to use an example that's not on that question, okay? Let's say that you have some zinc metal, okay? That's its reduced form because it's metal. So you know that the oxidation of this zinc is 0 because anything in its elemental form has a 0 oxidation number. And let's say we put that zinc into some copper 2 nitrate. And so when we're looking at single displacement, what we're looking at is, will zinc displace the copper? Okay? Find zinc and find copper on this activity series. So here's zinc and here's copper. Relative to each other, zinc is above copper. And as I said, increasing ease of oxidation. Zinc can be oxidized by copper. So stuff at the top can be oxidized by stuff at the bottom, okay? Stuff at the top can be oxidized by stuff at the bottom. And that's a real simple way to say it, okay? That's not a real chemistry way. But by stuff, I'm talking about these elements that are named. So zinc can be oxidized by copper. That means this reaction will happen. That means that you would have zinc nitrate and copper metal. So that reaction would happen, okay? Now, if I consider the reverse of this reaction, what if I put copper in zinc nitrate? Well, I've already identified them on the activity series. Copper's down here. Stuff at the bottom, copper, cannot displace stuff at the top. This would be no reaction. And so that's what that question is asking you about those 3 that you're given in question 4 on Connect. Only one of them will happen like this. 2 of them, you're going to be dealing with this scenario. Hope that helps.